Hi, I'm Eldrick Ecuador, and now we're gonna do the week 8 debugging. So first we're gonna open and then click the analyze temperature broken run button and OK. So now let's press Ctrl T so that the front panel and the block diagram are side by side. So now let's check what the errors are. So let's click this and then it says that the block diagram errors. So let's see that the 5 is not connected to the divide, and this is a control, so it should be an indicator. So let's change this to indicator. And then this one, it says that the two terminals are different types. So let's change this one into a boolean. So let's replace this with a boolean, and I want an LED. So let's set the upper limit into, let's say 100. The lower limit is a 0. Let's run. So it light up because the temperature in degrees is only 49.489. But if we change this into, let's say 20, if we run this, it will turn off because it's false and 49 is higher than 20. Part 2, let's open existing and this analyze temperature incorrect behavior. Let's press Ctrl T again so that we can have the block diagram and front panel but side by side. So after changing this to dev1a1, let's run the program. It says that the degree Celsius is 49.4819 and the degree Fahrenheit is 59.4899. Let's check if it is correct. According to our calculations, the degrees in Fahrenheit is wrong because it should be 121.067742 degrees Fahrenheit. Here we can see the error. This should be 9. This should be 5. Because according to the formula, it should be 9 multiplied by 9 and divided by 5. So now let's check if this is correct. Now we got 121.067, which is the correct degrees Celsius, degrees Fahrenheit. So now let's try probing the wires. Successfully probing, let's now run the program. You can see watch window will pop up and it shows what the different probes did during run. That in probe 7, it shows the correct degrees Celsius, and in probe 6, it shows the false degrees Fahrenheit. So meaning the error occurred in probe 6 to 9. Remove all the probes. Now we're gonna use single stepping to debug our program. We should open the highlight execution and then click this button. So it shows the single steps in running the program. It says OK. It says there's an error over there. So let's now click this to finish. Let's imagine that the error is here in the add function. So now let's right click the add function. Then create, then pick breakpoint point and set breakpoint point. You can see that the add functions is now covered in red. Let's right click here, breakpoint, then breakpoint manager. Turn off the highlight function and then let's run. That the VI pauses whenever the breakpoint it reaches the breakpoint. Now we can stop and wait. We can highlight execution and then select single steps and see that the error does not occur after or on the add function. Confirming this, let's now remove the breakpoint. I right click breakpoint and clear breakpoint. We know the error can now change this and let's run. Now you can see that the conversion is now correct. Check if this is working. So let's make the upper limit to 200 and then now let's run. So it's in range, that's why the button lighted up. So that's it for our week 8. Thank you.